you. I want to know you can have the line. Oh, thank you. I will talk to you soon. So, bye. Guys, we got the situation. I think he's the one. What should we do?
Not again.
Oh, that sounds interesting. I'm hungry. What should we have for lunch?
Let me check the data.
Sick hats, I need your opinion about this guy. Ray, you go first.
Well, I don't know about this, but when I talk to him, I'm really excited, you know? So maybe we should go with this guy.
Wait, don't be so hurried. Let's take a look at his information. He's 22 years old now and he's studying medical National Taiwan University. He may be a doctor in the future and his height is 180 centimeters. We should meet our creative for a day. What do you think, Black?
Well, hell no. He's NTU, so means he's too busy for us. And then he's already hot, so means I have a bunch of girls around him. And then most importantly, he's way too smart for romantic stuff.
That's very negative of you to say. So what about you, Yellow?
Well, he is tall, talkative, handsome, smart, and have a big brain.
Big brains are good.
Did you say something, Green?
No, it's not me. Having a relationship, but I think in a more creative way. Maybe instead of dating him, we can be friends with benefits.
Okay, Hats. Thank you for your idea and your opinions. So after thinking about it, I think we should go for it.
Hi, I'm here.
Ever since I smell you, I've been craving for you.
Hurry. I can't wait.
Okay, thanks. You look very nice as well. So, what are we doing here?
We're going to have a feast.
Oh my god, what the hell is that?